guys, happy vlogmas day 13. I just got out of the shower. I've been working all morning. Not gonna lie to you, I've been feeling a little burnt out today, just a little bit. I should have my vlogmas video up already because it's literally been edited. I really got ahead on it. I just don't want to hear myself talk anymore, and I just don't want to look at myself. Oh my gosh, looking at myself for 13 days, watching myself back, listening to myself talk. I'm like, I can't do this. Yeah, I'm a little burnt out, so I just haven't really filmed much this morning, besides me working a little bit. I haven't finished doing the final touches on my editing because I just don't want to look at myself or listen to myself right now. So that's how I'm feeling today. All I know is this big pimple on my chin won't go away, and there's more pimples just popping up next to it because I keep touching it, which is probably making it worse and making other things come up, which is great. And I wanted to do my makeup today, but I also want to put a pimple patch on it, so I might just do my makeup around the pimple patch. Also going to, I look like bald right there. Why do I look bald? Okay, we're balding. No, it's probably the way I pulled my hair back, but I also wanted to show you guys how I slick back my hair today. And later, we're gonna get Starbs and maybe some more Christmas shopping. I don't know. My dad is always taking me on adventures with him. When it's Christmas shopping time, I just don't know where the day takes me. But I did make it to the gym this morning. Honestly, I've just been listening to all the stuff about the Idaho murders, and I'm just really honestly pissed and sad that they haven't figured out who it is yet. And it's just the whole thing is just disgusting, and ugh, it literally is giving me the heebie-jeebies, and it's been consuming my brain this morning for some reason. It's just been on my brain all morning. All right. Well, I will come back when I am going to do my hair and we can do it together. So you guys, yesterday I got a package in from Ana Luisa. You guys know I absolutely love their jewelry, and I cannot wait to show you guys the new pieces that I got. I'm literally obsessed. I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek. You're not even ready. Are you kidding? That's all you get to know. But once I get around to wearing them and everything, then you guys will obviously see my thoughts and get to see all the pairs that I got. But you guys know they're my favorite jewelry brand, and every time I get a new piece from them, it turns into my staple earrings or staple necklaces, like the one I'm wearing now, the earrings I have in now. So I cannot wait to show you guys all the pieces that I got from them. You're just gonna have to stay tuned. So yeah, that's all I had to say. So as you guys saw, I did my makeup a little bit around my little pimple patch. I mean, it's cute. It's a little heart, but let's hope she works. But now we're gonna finally do my hair. It's 3 p.m. Today just felt interesting. That's all. I'm gonna show you guys how I do my slick back bun. It's nothing revolutionary at all. But maybe if you're having a hard time figuring out how to do one with your hair, this might work. Because it's not just simple oh, let me just, and it looks good. And I'm also not using all the products that everyone else is using. I'm just using what I have at home. So maybe if you're like me, then this will help you. Just grab a normal paddle brush. I think that's what it's called, a paddle brush. I brush out my hair. Also, this works best when your hair is super greasy. Look at the grease on my head. It is but that's when it works best. So, cannot do this on clean hair. It will not work. You have to do it when your hair is extremely greasy. Once you have it brushed out, you want to part it down the middle. So I just kind of take my brush and do the best I can. Once you have it like that, you're gonna take some front pieces on both sides. So I would say about this much. I bring them to the front. I tie it off with a little hair tie. The reason you do this is because you want to make sure the part that makes it look really good and slicked back, but like also kind of parted, you know what I'm talking about? That's the hard part. And without separating your hair, you're really not gonna be able to do it. Like it's not gonna do what you want. Then you brush back the rest of your hair. This is kind of annoying, you know? It's kind of in your face, but just gonna have to deal with it. The rest of this part, brushing your hair to make sure you get out all the bumps. And it takes the longest time, but you gotta do it. I flip it over, make sure the back is as flat as you can get it. It's definitely not flat, I can feel it. Once you have that, and you think it's as good as it's gonna get, put a hair tie in your hair, like a ponytail. So you just make it a ponytail. I recommend using a pretty strong hair tie for this part, because that's the part that's gonna keep your hair up. Then you pull out this part, and you separate the pieces, and then you're just gonna wanna fold them back. And this is where I just kind of take the brush and like smooth it out. So you just kind of, and then once that's like that, as smooth as you think you can get it, I twist it like 3 times. It depends on how long your hair is. Then I roll that over and I kind of just like twist it under. The hair tie for this part, you want it to be not super tight because then you're gonna squeeze the bun. So just, you know, a good little, nothing too strong, you know, and I just do it twice. Not perfect. Sometimes I gotta do it a few times. Like this bun looks a little wonky. See, I gotta fix this again because it's not right. See, that's still bad. Some days it's just not, it doesn't like you, but whatever, I'm gonna leave it. And I honestly don't really know if this part really works that well. That's why people use gel. But I just take some hairspray. Oh. Something fell in my bin and it gave me a fucking heart attack. I thought someone was outside my goddamn window. Try not to eat it while you're doing that. I don't really know how well that works, but I do it anyways. You know, some days are better than others. Like today's is not the best, but you guys get the gist. But yeah, that's how I do my slick back bun. Now I'm gonna finally have lunch because I haven't had lunch yet and I'm slightly dying.
We're stopping at the Chase Bank. Jules is running in. I might have to get out so you can see. She was trying to go through the drive-through, but they have that closed and they don't have an automated tiller type deal. Let's see if we get her to look. I think she's finished now. She's probably on her way out. Oh, there she is. So yeah, so we're headed over now to the Starbs. We put a nice order in at Starbs. We're gonna go pick up our prizes. She's getting into the 04 crew cab right now, which is running very smooth and fine. Like the American flag on there, nothing better. Well, we'll see you over at Starbucks.
Okay, hopefully that looks okay. I don't know if my dad was able to film, but he got our Starbs. Oh.
She's like, oh, thank you so much. I said, no. She saw me come back in. Oh. And the two were talking. I go, no. I go, no problems. No problems. She laughed.
Wait, I'm filming.
Oh. Oh, jeez.
Dad didn't know that I got a cappuccino.
Right.
So they're a little lighter. So Dad was just like, oh, this is light. So she grabbed it and just made a new one, right?
Yeah, she said, I'll make, you know, they're usually lighter, she said, because they froth the milk. Mm-hmm. And they have to put a little less because of the heat, she said. Oh. So people burn themselves or whatever. We went and took and just made another one. I was like, oh, and then I told her when she came back, I said, I don't know. I never get that. I said for my daughter, I don't want her to kill me. When I handed it to her, she laughed.
So then he came back and told me this, and I was like, oh, she didn't have to do that.
Yeah.
So then we gave her a tip because she's really nice and we felt bad.
I mean, this tastes great.
She didn't have to remake it.
No, she did though.
So Dad, tell him what you got.
I got.
Does he even know what he got?
I got caramel mocha with 3 shots.
Caramel macchiato.
Macchiato with 3 shots.
3 shots.
I'm gonna stay up late tonight. I'm wired.
And I tried something totally new. I never get a cappuccino, but I was kind of feeling it. A cappuccino with
Oh, it's hot too. It's good.
oat milk, I think I used. Oat milk. And
Goat milk.
And I'm trying hazelnut syrup, which I've never tried.
How is
but
that?
it feels really hot, so I kind of think I should wait.
Now we're on our way to another store, which we can't disclose because if we put this vlogmas on there, somebody
He's not
will.
going to watch it. Ben's not watching my vlogs.
No?
No.
Okay.
We're going to Dick's. Hopefully find something for my brother because I don't have any gifts for him yet.
And hope we can find something hockey related that he'll like.
Yeah. And I still have my pimple patch on. You like it?
That looks good. I didn't even notice it. Till
Yeah,
said
you
it.
did. All right. Oh. Okay. Dad, how do you think we're doing here?
We're not doing too good. We're trying though. We're pulling all the strings.
We haven't found a single thing.
Nothing. We found some Yankee stuff. No, look, Mets.
Who cares about them?
Oh my gosh.
Alright, so we're in TJ Maxx and they have Laneige.
Oops.
Oh shit. They have the Laneige sleeping mask.
And this one.
Yep. And oh my god.
They're like little hidden gems, according to Julia. These are normally around $25.
Mm-hmm.
We found them here at the Max for $15.
People are walking by.
Yeah. They don't know we're vloggers.
They don't know.
They just don't know. Who would know? No one's ever gonna
Ooh,
know.
that smells awful.
No one's ever gonna know.
No, that one's a no from me.
What about the peptide right there?
Peptide.
Contoured lip cream. We're at the checkout.
I think we did good.
We're probably here at least.
I forgot I had this on.
Oh,
That's so
at least.
embarrassing.
I saw someone else with one of those on. We've been here probably about an hour and a half at least.
It's 8 p.m. We gotta go home.
Yeah, we're tired. We were gonna shop till we drop. We're about ready to drop.
Good morning. Happy Vlogmas Day. Is it 14 or 13? I think it's 14. I'm sorry guys. I have been so MIA. Whoa. MIA today. Oh my gosh. Today has been a busy day. We are doing end of the year reports for all our clients. It takes probably about a whole works day to do one report. I haven't even had lunch yet and it's like 3 p.m. I have to let Buddy out, which I can't really walk him. I don't have time. I went to the gym this morning, as you guys saw. That was really good. Did a little shoulders workout. I don't know, I'm sorry if this is boring, but you know, you don't want to see me just sit here like, you know. Okay, I'm done. That legitimately took me, yeah, like my whole day. I'm sitting in my bed because my ass hurts from sitting in a chair all day, I'm not gonna lie. I have to get started on editing the next vlog because this vlog has to go up tomorrow and I'm in the office tomorrow and we have a holiday brunch tomorrow. So I'm not gonna have time to like, what the fuck is my dad doing? That is one thing. There's always noise happening here. So I won't really have time to edit much tomorrow. Can you tell I'm a little irritable right now?
I can drive anything. Look at this guy. He's gonna hit us.
Oh,
Look, and what is wrong with people? He's looking at me like I did something wrong. He's in my lane.
Well, because we got the light on, probably.
Oh, we gotta leave that.
We're going out because I have... Dad, we're vlogging.
We're vlogging, all right.
Oh my god. Should we crack anything now?
Yeah, my windshield.
I hope we do.
Wow.
So tomorrow I have my holiday party. So we're running out to the store because I'm gonna pick my boss up a little gift because I realized that we're probably not gonna see each other before the holidays, and it's nice to, get them a little gift, right,
And
Dad?
she's so nice too.
Yeah, she's really nice. So
Spend a few bucks on her.
Dad.
No, I'm kidding. Spend a lot of bucks on her.
Dad. And my idea is to get her an Ulta gift card. I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx and get her a little mug and base erasers, which are like these. You guys have seen me use them, but they're like a face cloth that takes off your makeup. And I made my dad come with me. We're in Harmon's now. TJ Maxx was a bust. We went to a different one than what we did yesterday, as you guys saw. And
They had everything yesterday.
yeah,
Here, this one,
yeah.
not so good.
So
We're better off in the hood than over here.
yeah, next door.
Yeah.
So I found them. We got the gift card.
Look at the stuff in this store. The magnitude of stuff is just... I mean, if you have attention deficit disorder, don't walk down this aisle. You'll go nuts.
You should see what he's doing with my arm. So we're just gonna add one more little thing in there, and then we'll be done.
Put a little candy in the bag. People love candy. Little food. Facial wipe. Beautiful. You could use the facial wipe to wipe the food off your face.
Okay.
Candy, put that in.